Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome to another video today, and I just wanted to come on here and give my expectations for Nvidia's earnings release tomorrow. Now, in my opinion, guys, this earnings release is going to be very important for the tech sector as a whole. I think if Nvidia does well going into the future, especially in 2025, the entire tech sector as a whole will do well also. I would first like to say that their EPS and revenue estimates are higher than what they were last quarter as well. So as we can see here, for their upcoming quarter earnings, their EPS normalized estimate is around 75 cents, and their GAAP estimate is 70 cents, and their revenue estimate is $33 billion. Now, the first thing I would kind of like to highlight in this video, guys, is basically the amount of EPS revisions the last 90 days. So as we can see here, there's 30 increases and 6 decreases. As a whole, this is very good looking for, as a whole, this is very encouraging for Nvidia's EPS. A lot of times leading up to a company's earnings release, their EPS revisions are kind of split, so it being more heavy in the earnings increase is a good sign. As we can see here, compared to their sector, their up revisions are definitely higher and their down revisions are definitely lower. Now, in my personal opinion, guys, I think they're going to beat both their EPS and their revenue. However, I think the stock price is going to go down as a result of their earnings. Now, if we look here at the latest quarter earnings, they beat on their actual earnings and they beat on their revenue. Important thing to take note of is that their earnings announcement was 828, and here we can see that 829, they actually raised their price target, and the stock actually took kind of a tumble here. We can see that it went from trading at around 118 to down around 104. And I feel like that's very interesting because there's so much expectation put around Nvidia that it's kind of hard for them to meet investor expectations. And I feel like this is going to be a really similar thing that happens this quarter. I feel like they're going to beat on both their EPS and their revenue, and the stock is still going to tumble. They're not going to smash their estimates. So essentially what the main takeaway from this video is, guys, that past performance tends to dictate a lot of what the stock's going to do. So unless they really smash their earnings and their revenues, I think that the Nvidia stock is going to take a tumble like they did previously. Now, this is a really good buying opportunity in my opinion, because this stock definitely has the potential to reach somewhere in the 160s, the 170s, maybe even the 180s. As we can see here, some of the analysts, they've raised their price targets from 148 to 167, and we even have one raising it from 165 to 180. So going into the future, especially in 2025, I think that this is very possible that the stock price reaches that high. So yeah, guys, that's basically going to be the video. I just wanted to jump on here and give my personal opinion, and I guess tomorrow we'll really see if they beat their EPS and their revenue, and we'll see in the subsequent days what goes on, but I would not be surprised, guys, if they beat both, that the stock price still takes a tumble. So, yeah, guys, that's been the video. Thanks for watching. Make sure if you enjoyed to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.